Oh, shit. Good evening, guys. How's it going? Long time no see since the last video I made. Well, I figured come on here and make a video. It's been a few days instead of a freaking week. There are some things I'm gonna go over it in this video for a little bit. Figured talk to y'all a little bit about what I'm gonna be doing within the next few months. While I'm working on the dirty Rango. I'm gonna try my best to see if I can come up into a different category of customizing a couple of my vehicles here. Starting with my black pickup after I get that back, because I'm gonna try to finish the homemade front bumper while I'm learning about my new tool I picked up today for less than $200. So what I picked up today is a new welder. Wait, you got? I thought you already had a welder. Yeah, well, my dumbass sold it, so I bought a new one today. I'll go show y'all pretty shortly here what I picked up. So, what I'm gonna be doing, oh, by the way, got my one truck back today. Just gotta get the other back next 2 weeks from now, I guess. So I can get some new steel or metal to work with, see how I do, get reacquainted on welding, because I haven't welded, and since I think 2005, it's 2023 now. Oh yeah, it's been over 20 years now. 18, 20 years. Oh, I lost track of time, so with that being said, I'm gonna practice a little bit, get used to it again, and get reacquainted with welding again, because what I'm gonna be doing is, while I'm practicing a little bit more, and gotta figure out how on the right temperature on how I can keep it going and all yada yada yada, all that shit. So of course it's a Harbor Freight special. So it's a whatchamacallit. It's just a little 125 titanium. So yeah. This is what I'm getting practice with for the next few months. So, because what I'm gonna be doing is fabricating some new things on my black pickup. Maybe this. Well, planning on making a new exhaust system for this thing, homemade and everything. It's kind of like, I kind of want to show y'all it's okay to practice, get yourself dirty, and make a whole lot of nothing out of something. Kind of like what I'm doing with my black pickup. It was just a basic Dakota till now, which it was gonna be a work truck, but now it's just an abomination of coolness. for a lot of us folks. So with that being said, like I said, I'm just gonna get some old metal practice a little bit here and there, getting myself reacquainted with it. Other than that, so yeah, I've been thinking a lot more because I kind of want to get into like finding old stuff, customizing one of my trucks to something unique that no one ever seen before. So that's what I'm doing. So basically, using what you have. I don't care if it's bought that way or bought it and from a factory like that, but I'm gonna be basically building my own shit from scratch. So oh shit. Took me a little bit to figure some of that stuff out without the instructions. Typical redneck thing, so you don't need freaking instructions. Oh shit. It's fucking hotter than devil's nutsack. So I just figured I'll let y'all know I'm still around, just gonna practice a little bit on how I can do with welding and whatnot. So anyways, I'll talk to y'all later so I can figure out what I'm going to do next with this whole machine. It's just a little Flux 125 inverter power source. I got it from Harbor Freight for like $170 plus tax. Well, it was on sale for $159, but it was on sale for $159 because it was $199 before. So I bought the little spool for welding. So yeah, basically I'm getting work my way up to actually welding some parts, because I thought about welding some stuff on the inside of the cab too with my mud truck or street legal mud truck. But why? I really don't give two fucks, so anyways, that's what I'm gonna be doing, so stay tuned on whatever I'm gonna do next, alright guys? I'm only planning on accordingly to each video, so oh my god, you're shop at Harbor Freight. I don't give two fucks, alright? It's what I can afford, so anyways, y'all take care, have a good weekend, alright? See you on next video. Later.